And what's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Tech Treks back in another video. Today we're looking at this wonderful light bar for pretty much your garage, maybe your living room, anything you want to light up so much. And pretty much we're gonna install this, show you guys how easy to install it. I got this from Costco, pretty cheap as well. It was on sale. And let's go ahead and look at the Artika light bar. Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button if you want to go on a this. I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Happy New Year's as well, everyone, and let's go on with the video. This has 4,000 lumens as well. It will lit up quite a bit much of the room, and it has 50,000 hours of life, so it's good for quite a while. Right now, this is what it looks like in our living room. I have a one pot light, 6-inch pot light in the middle. It lights it up pretty well, and without it, this is how dark it is in here. But I think it's time to upgrade the pot light. It's time to get rid of the pot light, and pretty much you're just gonna pull this out like so. There we go. Pretty much just gotta get rid of the box for the pot light and use this existing wire to our Artika. So it says on there as well that I cannot use a dimmer switch. We'll try it with the dimmer switch, and then we'll have to replace this with a normal switch. So pretty much you're just gonna install this to an octagon box. If you don't have any, you just have a pot light like mine. I just pretty much drilled this to an existing wood on the ceiling, and that's it. So you might want to align this box right here, a square off to your edges of your ceiling, or else that will basically dictate if your light is crooked or not. Now it does ask to put in screws on 6 sides, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can hook it up like this, and that's on the light itself. So meanwhile you're wiring it up, you'll be able to just hang it like this, and then easy to wire up the wires. So black to black, white to white, and green to green, or bare wire. Super easy wiring right there. I would test out the switch first before doing anything else. And as you can see there, the light works. So it's just a matter of hooking it back up there to finish it up. Now, if you have a popcorn ceiling like mine, it might be tough to put up there, but with a little bit of squishing around, you can do it. This comes with the remote and screws and wire nuts there. Now we got the remote right here. Says there, press and hold to save favorites, all that. Let's take off this blue tab on the back. So we're gonna use the remote here, and pretty much you can change the color with it. There's that, and then there's the red. Red. There's the blue. And if you want to just use the white, you can as well. Right there. You can lower the brightness. Here it is, or make it higher. Now there's also an Artika app. This is the smart app that they have. Pretty much what you're gonna need to do is download the app from your iPhone or Android, and then connect it. You're gonna have to sign up as well, make an account through them, and then we're gonna add a new device, which is the Sky Shade. Once we click that, pretty much we're gonna do the turn off the device for 10 seconds, and then we're gonna turn it on and off for about 4 times here. That pretty much resets the device, and then after that we'll be able to connect it via Wi-Fi make sure you use a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi or else it won't work. After that though, everything should work. You can connect this via Alexa as well. And it's pretty much just downloading a skill, logging into Alexa skill, Artika skill, and you're good to go. From the app or Alexa, you'll be able to change the colors and also the brightness of the sky light. And that's pretty cool, considering, you know, like it's everything will be app powered by then. Their apps is a lot better as well than the remote. The remote, I find, like you need to be a certain angle, but the app works totally fine. It works so well. Even the brightness, any color that you want is pretty accurate as well. You can even schedule things as well for the app so that it will turn on a certain time of the day, or you can change it as well via music. So it uses your phone's mic to hear music or sound around you, including games, music, or maybe voice. And that way it'll change the color of your light towards whatever you're watching. And that's really it. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. You can get it from Costco. There's no affiliate link here, but it does help the channel a lot if you use some of our services down below. I have the aura.com that protects your identity online. So if you're surfing around, you're adding your name and address on every website out there, this protects you on that. There's also the mintmobile.ca. Pretty much you can get the lowest and most budget efficient 5G data plans on only US though, so you can get it from there for $15. And there's also the SNHU. Pretty much that will give you online degree if you are working right now and you are a professional already and you want to pursue other things. You can learn a degree online via snhu.edu. If you want to use those things that help out the channel a lot, it's all sponsored by them, these videos. So make sure to check them out. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy New Year's, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.